Welcome to Twisted Metal Customs, and it's a different scenery than usual, and that's probably because this is the new workshop location, and that was the big announcement I wanted to bring up a couple months ago, but as you know, paperwork and stuff takes a fair while to get through. But this is the new workshop location. I thought I had a jigsaw here somewhere. This is the joys of moving, is like, oh, let's put this here, I won't forget where it is. Good luck trying to find that again. So I've got about 10% of my stuff at the moment jammed in here. As you can see, it's like sardines in a can with the cars and whatnot. The last few weeks we've literally been moving as much workshop stuff as we can to here, and I've been prepping a slab which we'll go look at in a minute and talk about which shed company I went through. But yeah, so that's why there hasn't been a lot of updates on the channel, because we've just been flat out driving, just trying to get this place set up. Why? Because for the last 14 years I've been doing FIFO or like roster work, and I figured I want something different in life. I want to try something a bit better, and yeah, so I pulled the pin on that, and now I'm full-time going to be doing Twisted Metal Customs, YouTube, and yeah, very, very big things coming in the future. A lot more dedication to the channel and you guys and everything like that. So you can look forward to that, and yeah, bigger and better things for Twisted Metal Customs, bigger projects, bigger equipment, bigger shed. And speaking of shed, let's go have a look. Okay, so this is the new shed location for Twisted Metal Customs. Been working on this quietly in the background for the last couple of months, and this is the big announcement that this is going to be the new headquarters for TMC. It's 25 meters by 14.5 meters, so plenty big enough space. One section is going to be 2-story. Yeah, the last couple of months been busting our asses on this, trying to get this going. Got the concrete coming next week, and I'll be building the shed myself. And the shed company we ended up picking was EasySHED. So we got about 8 different quotes from different, well-known companies, and this company was by far the cheapest, but they did have an end of financial year sales on at the moment where the other companies didn't have that, so that's already a win. But I've done a few sheds in my time, ex-carpenter, so if you are thinking about building a shed, subscribe to the channel, because we're going to do a pretty good review on it, and they're very cheap for what you get. So alright, so that's a quick update for you guys and girls for what TMC is doing. If you got any ideas, like design ideas or any dream ideas that you wanted in your dream shed, comment below, because I'm interested to what you've got to say, because I'm obviously doing that. And if you can come up with a really cool idea or concept or design, I might even incorporate it into this build. So yeah, any ideas on the shed, put below. I'll be doing an episode every now and again on the shed build, just keep you updated on what's going on with the shed and the workshop. So, but we'll be doing car stuff in between that when we can. So thanks for your support. Yeah, subscribe if you want to see this shed and the review of this shed, EasySheds. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.